welding long shafts, cylinders, or long frames. The robot can't reach all the way round, and halfway through you must unclamp and flip the part. Slow and inconsistent? The trouble with long and cylindrical parts is reach. Clamped fixed, the back, underside, and far end seams are out of the robot's range, and manual flipping is slow and easy to misalign. A headstock-tailstock positioner drives from one end and supports from the other, clamping the long part to rotate as a whole. The torch stays put, the part turns, and the full circumferential seam runs in one pass. EVST's headstock and tailstock are synchronized, programmed as if a single unit, and heavy models carry up to 5,000 kilograms, holding and indexing even long, large parts precisely. As an external axis coordinated with the robot, it welds circumferential, longitudinal, and intersection seams at the optimal orientation, always flat, for consistent beads and less spatter. The payoff is direct. Cut the repeated unclamping and crane flipping, and both cycle time and consistency on long, large parts improve together. Pressure vessel shells, pipework, and heavy machinery structural beams, long and round parts all fit the headstock-tailstock. Turn the long part, weld it all around in one go. This is EVST. Our own positioners turn large part welding into a standard process.